Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just hold for a while the application and drag this application to the another apps, and as can you see right now we got here the new folders on our home screen. If you want, you can add here one more application by the same way. Just hold for a while the app and drag it here to the folder. If you want, you can just rename the folder. Just tap here to the tools and, for example, enter the new name here. Just tap here to OK. Oh, one more time, sorry. Apps. And here, as can you see, we just change successfully our folder name. If you want, you can move this folder here on the screen, or you can move the folder between the screens. Just hold and drag it to the section where you want to add your folder. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, just go to the folder, hold for a while your app, and, for example, move it here to the position just where you want to add your screen. And so that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.